Hi guys, so today in this video we're going to talk about how do you see other people's friend list on Snapchat. Well, can we actually look at our friends best friends list on Snapchat? Let's see. First open your Snapchat, go to your Snapchat app, and then on your top left try to hit on your profile picture icon there. So once you click that, what you can do is click on under friends, click on my friends option here. So if you see my friends option here, and if you choose any friend, um, you unfortunately don't really get the option to see their best friends if you choose any of these best friends, because I think due to some policy issues, some policy and privacy issues, Snapchat doesn't enable this function. So unfortunately we are unable to view our like other people's best friend list on Snapchat. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.